Hi, in this video I will show you how to use app to generate Powershell script from CSV file. I have a CSV file open on my computer. It's in Windows Excel Mobile, and it's not allowing me to. It's like free Excel viewer. It's not allowing me to change everything, but I can see a table here, and it has column names on the top, which is state name, state code, region, subregion, and all data is here. So I'm gonna convert this. I'm gonna generate PowerShell script from this, and in this PowerShell script I will be able to access all these records with columns and everything in it. So it's important before creating using app, I will close this CSV file, because Excel locks CSV file. It's not allowing to other application access it. So let's close this file. To download app, I will go to my website. This is my website. I will leave link on the site into description. I will click on search and type PowerShell, and click on PowerShell page, then click on CSV to PowerShell and click on download to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded. I will be recording more PowerShell videos and more apps videos, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded on my computer, and I will click on downloaded archive to open it, click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info on the screen. Now I'm getting the screen because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. Just click run anyway to start installation, click on next, install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed to my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. First step, I will select my CSV file. I will click here to select input file, navigate to my state CSV, it's called state CSV, click on open, and click on next step. On next step, I will select columns I'd like to use into PowerShell. I'll just click on select all to select all columns, click on next step, and on the final step I can preview PowerShell, or I can save PowerShell file by clicking on save result. And here I will click, I can change name and location of result files. This name and location is okay. I'll just click save, and file has been saved. Let's go and see file. Now I right click on the file, click on edit to open it, Windows PowerShell, and I can close this. And you can see file has all state structure in it and everything. And in order to access, I can add my code, like for each. Let's do a row in states, and do right host, and just print row and state name. In this way, so you can see I will do iteration in states, because states is a structure that contains all data from CSV file. And here I can just print everything from states, and you can see it's printing all states from Alabama to Wyoming. And also I can access basically any column like that from the structure. I can do row state code just to print state code, to region. So basically it depends which CSV file you have, but basically you can access if you do for each, you can access any any data into row and do whatever you want with this. So basically that's it. If you regenerated file PowerShell script structure from CSV, and now in our CSV file we can add codes that process the structure, print, or like do any manipulation with it and create another functionality based on this CSV file. So it's useful if I have a list of computers into CSV files, or list of operations I need to do, or some other data, and I don't want to upload CSV file to different computer and just have everything in one PowerShell. So this might be useful. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.